two questions. Do you want to check out the washi from the washi tape shop? Do you want to enter the giveaway to win these 10 rolls of vintage washi tape? Plus, I'm introducing to you Washi Woman, so you can try something new using your washi tapes. Hi, I'm Donna, and I'm going to show you the different prints on each roll I've got here and the quality of the print of the tape itself. I'll get through this as quickly as I can because look at all this washi I've got to unbox. I've made 2 videos about this washi tape. This one here you're on now to check out all these beautiful washi tapes and get the details of the giveaway. And the second video is how I made this beautiful washi woman, which is kind of like a paper doll. Now for the copyright credits. The croquis, the fashion model illustration, is from Mark Montano, and the washi is from the Washi Tape Shop. Because I've got so much washi to get through, I am going to move through this quite quickly. So I'm going to show you a little bit of video with some photographs so you can get a really good look at the patterns, how good the quality of the print is on this washi tape. So we'll start off with the giveaway tape. This is a 10-piece vintage colour washi tape set. So there are 10 rolls of tape in this box. I didn't open it because I'm going to send it out to you as a brand new unopened box. All these rolls that I'm showing you here is how they come packaged. I love the tissue paper that's on them. This washi set is called In Bloom Washi Tape Set. There are 5 rolls of tape in this set. Go check it out. Anything to do with butterflies and bees or a stamp shape or a ticket, I know you're going to love them too. These are just beautiful colours and prints. Again, this is In Bloom Washi Tape Set. This is one roll out of the Fluttering Butterfly Wide Washi Tape Set. It's a 6-piece set. It's just soft and beautiful, but trendy. The dragonflies. Look, I can't unroll every single one of these washi rolls to show you. The best I can do is show you the photograph. This one here is a red hot favourite. I just love butterflies, and blue, I just adore the colour blue with brown. Fluttering Butterfly Wide Washi Tape Set. Go check it out. This is the 20-piece Summer Slim Washi Tape Set. And of course, it's got 20 rolls of skinny washi tape. Too many to show you individually, so feast your eyes with all of these rolls together. Go check this one out. This roll here is the Mind Map Memory Washi Tape. It's one roll. You can buy this one on its own. I did open this one up and pull a piece out. It's 50 millimetres wide by 8 metres in length. So it's the Mind Map Memory Washi. This is another single roll, and this one's called the Diary Memory Washi Tape. It's 35 millimetres wide and it's an 8 metre roll. I've noticed this one's popular. I've seen this one all over Instagram. Go check it out. This one is out of the 5-piece Dessert Time Washi Tape Set. So there are 5 rolls in this set, and they're all prints of dessert and little cups and beautiful, like coffee and things like that. And of course I had to get this one because I just love dessert. I've been known to go to the restaurant and order my dessert before my main meal. Another roll out of the Dessert Time washi set. Look at the colours. And when you put this down on your paper, a lot of the background disappears. In this Dessert Time washi set, you get this really wide one as well. This one's got cupcakes on it. It's beautiful, just lovely colours and lovely graphics, beautiful graphics. And here it is together, the 5-piece dessert time washi tape set. And I just had to get this one. This is the Postal Memory washi tape. It's a single roll, 20 millimeters wide, and you get 8 meters in length. This one I'm going to use probably every journal I make. If you got this one, I know you'd use it all the time as well. The Postal Memory washi tape. This one, I love this one. The Maple Leaf washi tape. It's 15 millimeters wide, 7 meters of washi. It is gorgeous. I use this one to colour my washi woman's hair. She's a redhead. Yeah, she's a ginger nut. She is gorgeous with her orange hair. This one is the Equinox Flower washi tape. It is 15 millimeters wide and also 7 meters long. It's got the green leaf on the pink, which looks stunning. This is also available in a single roll. This one here is the 46-piece vintage stamp planner stickers. They're faux postage stamps with a vintage theme, 46 little postage stamp stickers. It goes for miles. And these are not expensive. Go check them out. What can be better than that? You don't even need glue. Speaking of stickers, I also got a 6-sticker box set. So this one's called 60-piece vintage craft stickers. So you get all 6 boxes in this set, and they're all stickers. These are so fun, and you can reuse the boxes once you're finished with them. And this one is the vintage labels, all shapes, colours and sizes. This one is the airmail vintage labels. And this one is the vintage labels, and they're all like decorative frames. This one is like all tags, so these are pretty cool too. This one are more vintage labels, and they've got lovely graphics on them, these ones. Always pick up anything with a bee or a butterfly on it. Last but not least, the giveaway, the box set. It is the 10-piece vintage colour washi tape set. That's what you look for if you go to the Washi Tape Shop's website. It's the 10-piece vintage colour washi tape set. This is what you can win by entering the competition that we've got going today. You can win this box of washi. So everything you see on the box here, there are 10 rolls, and they've just got little hit and miss text, little scratches, and it's real vintage looking, and the colours in real life are beautiful. You know, they are so useful. You will love getting your hands on these rolls of washi. Before I tell you about the giveaway, I'd like to thank the Washi Tape Shop for giving this box to you, the lucky winner. When the giveaway is drawn, I'll send this out to you in the post, and you can get this wherever you can receive post anywhere in the world. So to enter the giveaway, 1, you must be a subscriber of Junk Journal Ideas YouTube channel. 2, you need to make a comment, and that is after you go to the washitapeshop.com. Go through, have a look at them, pick out one you love, then come back and tell us which is your favourite washi on the Washi Tape Shop's website. So you just make a comment and say which one you love the most. It couldn't be easier. 1 entry per person. The random comment picker will be used to select the winner. Any duplicate comments will not be counted. And if you want to make a washi woman to put in your bullet journal or your journal, take a photo and tag us on Instagram. Hashtag the Washi Tape Shop or hashtag junk_journal_ideas. And you can also use hashtag washi woman. We'd love to see your version of your fashion paper doll using washi tape. All right, the competition starts today, Saturday, Sydney, Australia time, the 31st of July. It will end on Sunday night, the 8th of August, 8 p.m, which is also going to be Sydney, Australia time. So you've virtually got a week to get moving, to get entered in the giveaway. Good luck to you. I hope you are the winner to get these 10 rolls of washi tape. I'm Donna. Thanks for watching and bye for now. P.S. Don't forget, go and watch the next video where I show you how to make the washi woman. Ciao for now.